Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see the chapter Symmetry. At the end of the session, students, you will be able to define line of symmetry, identify line of symmetry in given figures, understand the line of symmetry for regular polygons, understand the rotational symmetry, find the order of the rotational symmetry of the given figures. Before getting into the chapter, let us see symmetry in real life. Have you seen all those things in your nature? Yeah, it's a flower. Here you can see the line of symmetry, right? Yes. And next one is a butterfly. Here you can see the line of symmetry. Okay? And if you slice an apple, you get the symmetry. And if you slice an onion, you will get the line of symmetry. In detail, we are going to see the symmetry. Yes. And I shown you some real examples. Now, what is symmetry? An object is said to have symmetry if it has identical parts that coincide with each other when you flip or slide or turn it. Now you understand what is symmetry? It is very difficult, right? Yes. Now I will show you with an example. Here I have taken one rectangular paper. Now I am going to fold this in this order. That is, I am going to flip over here. What will happen? This point is point or vertex. This vertex is coincident with this one. And this vertex is coincident with this. And the side will coincident with this. Therefore, this one we call it as a line of symmetry. And here it is vertical or horizontal. This one is vertical line of symmetry. For example, I have taken one paper and I am going to fold it in a diagonal way. Okay, let us see whether we are getting a symmetry over the diagonals or not. Yeah, I am folding over here. What will happen? The vertex will come over here, right? See? So, if this and this vertex are not coincident. Therefore, a diagonal line is not a line of symmetry for a rectangle. Got it? Yeah. Now, you may guess a line of symmetry for this craft. This is like an wall art, right? Yeah. Where you can see the line of symmetry. If I am folding it in this way, I can get the line of symmetry. This one is vertical line of symmetry. Or else, if I am folding over this way, that is horizontal line of symmetry. And it is possible for diagonals? Yes, diagonal also, because this part is coincident with this one, right? And this diagonal is also possible. Yes, because this part is in the shape of a square. Now, we'll see the line of symmetry for the shape. Yes, where you can draw the line of symmetry, or how many line of symmetry you can draw for this. Yes, you can guess it. Here, this is one line of symmetry. And next, here one line of symmetry. I will move it and show you. Yeah. And next one is here you can draw one line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry you are getting for the first figure? 3 line of symmetry. And for this, yeah, I can fold it in this way. That is one vertical line of symmetry. Shall I fold it over here? Yes, I can fold it over here. This is another line of symmetry. Is it possible for a diagonal? No. For this shape, either I can fold it in a vertical or I can fold it in a horizontal way. And you can try for this. Yeah? Guessed? Yes. Now I will draw this. Here one line of symmetry. And next, here one line of symmetry. And next, here. Right? For this shape also, I am getting 3 line of symmetry. And for here, shall I try with this vertical? No. Right? So, where you will get? Here, you can get the diagonal. Right? A diagonal line of symmetry. And another diagonal, if I am folding it in this way, yes. So, 2 line of symmetry for this figure. And what happened to this one? Here, we'll get 1 line of symmetry, 2 line of symmetry, 3 line of symmetry, that is towards here. And next, 4 line of symmetry. That's it? No. Here also you are getting a line of symmetry. And here also you are getting a line of symmetry. Like this, you have to think the line of symmetry for a given object. Like that, you can get line of symmetry for this one. Okay? Is it clear? Next, we are going to see line of symmetry for regular polygon. What is regular polygon? A polygon which has equal sides. See, it's a triangle. The sides of the triangles are equal in length. So, I am going to call this one as a regular polygon. Yes, a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides, right? Now, I am going to draw the line of symmetry for the triangle. Yes, this is one line of symmetry, another line of symmetry, and another line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry I have drawn? 3 line of symmetry. 3 line of symmetry for a triangle. And next one is what? It's a heptagon. Why I am calling this one as heptagon? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sides. All the 7 sides are equal in length. So I am calling this one as a regular polygon heptagon. For this heptagon, how many line of symmetry you will get? You will get 7 line of symmetry. Is it clear? A regular polygon, that is, in a regular polygon, a number of sides is equal to the number of line of symmetry. A triangle has 3 sides, a line of symmetry is also 3. Heptagon has 7 sides, and number of line of symmetry is 7. And now you can guess for a circle. Circle has how many sides? Yes, there is no sides. No, circle has infinite sides. Okay, So, how many line of symmetry for the circle? Infinite line of symmetry for a circle. Countless line of symmetry is there for a circle. Okay? Yes. Now, we are going to see line of symmetry for a irregular polygon. Irregular polygon means what? Sides are not equal. See, the length of this side is equal to this one. No, therefore I am going to call this one as an irregular polygon. Polygon means you know it. It's a closed figure, right? Yes. How many line of symmetry you will draw for this irregular polygon? Yes? Good. You have no line of symmetry for a irregular polygon. And next we are going to see rotational symmetry. Any object or a shape that looks exactly the same at least once during one complete rotation around a fixed point is said to have rotational symmetry. Yes, I'll show with an example. Okay? Yes. Have you noticed this? This is one type of fan you will make in a craft, right? Yes. This one is a nice example for a rotational symmetry. In this, we have mainly two concepts. One is center of rotation, where it is folded. This point we call it as a center of rotation. And another one is angle of rotation. This angle we call it as an angle of rotation. Okay. Now, order of rotational symmetry. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of times a figure looks exactly the same while it is rotation by 360 degree. That is, if you are rotating the figure, you are getting an exact thing which you get at the beginning. That angle we call it as an order of rotation. Yes, angle of rotation is equal to 360 degree. If you given a full complete rotation only, you will get the exact figure which you have it at the beginning. Or else, if you rotate it off turn, you will get an exact one. That we call it as an off turn is rotation by 180 degree. We are given only 180 degree. In some figures, you will get the original only with the quarter turn. So, a quarter turn is rotation by 90 degree. Okay. A complete means 360. Off turn is 180. Quarter turn is 90 degree. Yes. I'll give an example to understand the order of rotational symmetry. This one is a what? Parallelogram, and this point we call it as a center of rotation. Now I am going to rotate with a quarter turn. What is quarter turn? 90 degree. This part is turned over here. Whether I am getting the same figure? No. Right? So again I am going to rotate this one. Again I am giving a quarter turn. Right? Here I given one quarter turn and here I given another quarter turn. So totally 180 degree. How many turns I given? 2. So what is the order of the rotation of the symmetry? 2. Okay, fine. Now rapid check. The number of lines of symmetry of a dash is equal to the number of its sides. Yes, the number of lines of symmetry is equal to the number of sides. Where? For a regular polygon. Okay? Yes. The next one. A dash has infinite lines of symmetry. Which one is having infinite line of symmetry? Yes. Circle. A square has dash lines of symmetry. A square is a regular polygon which has 4 sides. How many line of symmetry? 4 line of symmetry. And the last question, irregular figure have dash line of symmetry. Square is a regular polygon. And I am asking irregular figure. What will be the line of symmetry? Yes, there is no line of symmetry for a irregular figure. Thank you, children. I hope you understand the concept of symmetry.